So the order at which these letters are arranged is the order at which our fractions is going to be solved. Okay, so now let's proceed on without wasting time. Now, since B is bracket, that means whenever we see bracket, we solve whatever is in the bracket first of all before we move on to off. And then we have off here. So we have to solve off before we solve division. Now that we've located off, I'm going to bracket out this part that is carrying off. So I'm going to bring out this part of the fractions with an arrow, and that is 1/3. So I'm going to convert the off to time so that I don't waste time. And then I'm going to write 2 whole number 1/4. Don't forget, I brought this into a bracket so that I can solve it first because off comes before every other operator. So 1/3 is still 1/3. Off, I turn it to times as we've been doing. And 2 whole number 1/4 is this. So I'm going to rewrite the fraction because of space. So 1/3 times. So we convert this to a proper fraction, which will give us 9/4. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1, that's 9/4. Now we find a common factor as usual. The common factor between 9 and 3 is 3 itself. So 3 in 3, 1, and 3 in 9 is 3. Now 4 and 3 are not common factor because 3 is a prime number, while 4 is an even number. So since there are no more common factors, to cut down the numerators and denominators, we write what we have left, which is 3/4, because 1 times 3 gives you 3, and 1 times 4 gives you 4. Now we've gotten the answer for the numbers or for the operations or for the fractions in the bracket. So let's move on to the next phase of the order of operation. The next one is division, which means that we have to solve this part of division before we then move on. So I'm going to put this division into bracket as well. So I'm going to make an arrow to cut it, to bring it out, to supply it. Okay, 5 whole number divided by 2/15. Now this is whole number dividing a fraction. So I'm going to rationalize the whole number. So 5 whole number becomes 5/1 because 5 divided by 1 will still give you what? 5. And then the divide, I'm going to convert it to times as well. And then anytime we convert the divide, don't forget, anytime we convert the divide to times, the number or the fraction in front is going to be affected by inverting them. That means the denominator becomes numerator, the numerator becomes the denominator. So I'm going to have 15/2, different from what we added. Now we can't have a common factor that can divide, so we just multiply straight because 5 and 2 are both odd numbers which cannot divide each other. And 5 times 15, and that will give us 75 over then 1 times 2, and that will give us what? 2. Now this is an improper